Good morning, student. Once again, I welcome you to the online classes. So, dear student, today I am going to teach you English literature of class 4. Kindly let's open on page 15. Once upon a time. So, dear student, now this story or the poem tells us about the family who used to spend its time together happily. Let us now read a poem to find out how a family spent its time. Once upon a time, in a house so big and wide, the family that lived there were so happy inside. So here the poet tells us about a long ago in a big and wide house there lived a family, and that family was very happy. That was the happy family. There was mummy and daddy, two little boys and girls. Every night they would gather in the living room. They would dwell. Now, in this stanza, the poet is telling about who all are the part of family. So there was mummy and daddy and two little boys and girls. What they were doing? Every night they would gather in the living room. That they would spend the time together and they would dwell. Here, dwell means living across the room. They danced and sang sweet songs there. How close the family was. The love was great they shared. You see, they showed they cared. So this stanza would tells us how they used to spend the time together. They used to dance and sing together, and also how close the family was. Their love was the great, and they also showed each other that how they cared for one another. And how was that shown? By living together. So, dear children, why don't you like to live together and share your happiness with your family members? Remember that your family can be the same way too. Just trust and love each other and share each other's thoughts because you need your family to communicate a lot. So, here in this particular stanza, the poet is telling you that you should remember that your family can be the same way too. That means you can also have a good time with your family members. You should also spend a lot of time with your parents and all the members your family. And the way you will spend each other, there will be trust, faith, love among each other because you need your family to communicate a lot. Dear student, communicate. Here, communicate means to express your thoughts, your feelings. You have to share whatever you are thinking, whatever your feelings, and that you should communicate with your family so that you all get to know each other well. And as you all grow older, you will always know in times of trials and troubles to your family you can go. So here in this stanza, the poet says, gradually when we grow old, then you will realize or know that in times of trials and troubles, when we are facing any problems or issue, so whom you have to go to whenever you are facing any problems, any troubles, any issue or problems, you have to come to your family. So this is the summary of the poem. So dear student, I hope you understood. So dear student, now let us discuss reading comprehension. Question number A, take the correct option. The family in the poem is a reared family, loving family, joint family. So answer is loving family. Then question number 2, the family members sing and dance in the bedroom, kitchen, living room. So answer is living room. Question number 3, in a family, in a happy family, all members fight with each other, do not talk to each other, laugh and trust each other. So dear student, answer is love and trust each other. Now let us look at question number B. So dear student, I would request you to write down in your note copy question number B. Answer these questions. Question number 1. What did the family do every night? The answer is the family gathered in the living room every night and gossips. Then question number 2. How many members were there in the family? So answer is there were 6 members in the family. Mummy, daddy, 2 little boys and girls. So question number 3. Which line in the poem tells us that the family members cared for one another? Answer is the line, the love was so great they shared, shows that the family members cared for one another. Question number C. Think and answer. So dear student, you have to think and answer these questions. So question number 1. When do we need our family the most? Answer is we need our family every time in the situation of happiness and trials and troubles. And question number 2. According to the poet, what are the main things that can make a family happy? Do you agree with the poet? Why? Or if you are not agree, then why not? So answer is according to the poet, the things that can make a family happy are spending time with each other, trust and love each other, share each other's thought, take care of each other, and at the time of need and trouble, stand with the family. Yes, we are agree with the poet because in the poem qualities of a happy family has been shown. Now vocabulary. Now look at the pictures and complete the pair. So knife and fork, bread and butter, pen and paper, socks and shoes, soap and water, sweater and scarf. Then let us look at this question. B. Match the columns. So rise and fall, here and there, ways and order. ways and means. War and peace, law and order, loud and clear, forgive and forget, clean and tidy. Then finally, writing. Write a paragraph on your family using the words. There are some words are used: love, kindness, tolerance, fun, patience, understanding, then selfishness. So dear student, write about your family using with these words. For your reference, you can read this particular paragraph and write a paragraph on your family. So dear student, we have almost covered this poem. So in the next class we will read the another topic. So thank you.